Hi friends, today you are working on lesson 10.1. So we're starting a brand new chapter today, and we are going to be working with three-dimensional shapes. So these shapes, again, I didn't have enough of to be able to send all of you shapes home. If we had been at school, I could have done this in a small group at my table, and you could have really gotten to use these shapes and to feel them and to hold them and see what they're like. But unfortunately, in this situation, we just can't. So we are going to, I've got some 3D shapes here, and we're going to see which 3D shapes stack and which do not stack. So stack means being able to lay them on top of each other with nothing happening. So let's start with this one. All right, so I see a shape. It's really flat on all sides. It kind of looks like what shape on one side? Yeah, it looks like a square on one side. So let's see if I get another one of these. How does that stack? Does that stay standing? Yeah, what if I add another one? Look at that. They stack no problem. Awesome, so I'm gonna put this one over here. It asks you to glue pictures onto this. I didn't give you any glue pictures, so for now, just watch, listen, and just follow along. All right, now how about this one? This, if you've ever heard of like the Great Pyramids in Egypt, this is kind of what they look like. It's like a triangle on these sides, and on the bottom, what shape is that? It's a square, yeah. This is a pyramid. So let's see, I have a pyramid here. Let me grab another pyramid. Okay, ready? Uh-oh. That is not stacking. So we'll put that on the wrong side. So yeah, the pyramid does not stack. I can't put another pyramid on top of that. All right, how about this one? Whoa! This one looks just like a ball, right? This is called a sphere. So let's see. I don't even know if I can get the, okay, so my sphere's sitting still. If I grab another sphere, make a prediction. Do you think that a sphere is going to be able to stack or not stack? All right, let's see if your prediction was right. Oh, let me try one more time. Yikes, does that stack? No, I can't stack those spheres on top of each other. All right, one more shape. This shape. Looks to me almost like a can of like soup. This is a cylinder. It looks like a circle on this side, and this long side, if I were to cut up the cylinder and I stretched it out, it would look like a big rectangle around the middle. So let's see if my cylinder will stack. Here's my next cylinder. Whoa, look at that. All right, let me grab one more. Let's see if it still stacks. One more. Yeah, look at that. The cylinder stacks really nicely, actually. So I would put that over here. Oh, it's rolling away. So I have two shapes that can stack and two shapes that do not stack. Very interesting. All right, we can flip to the other side. It says, sort the shapes by whether they roll or stack. Okay. So let's grab this shape first again. This is a cube. We already know that I can stack a cube. Can I roll a cube? Ready? No, it's just kind of pushing. It doesn't roll. So this is a shape that only stacks. Let's see, how about my pyramid? I don't think this one is going to roll or stack. Nope. It it doesn't, but I do have a shape that looks a lot like that shape. Grab it. And it is a cone. This is a cone because look, it looks like a little ice cream cone. So let's see. All right, we didn't test this one for stacking. Let's see. Nope, so just like the pyramid, I can't stack this shape. I can't get another cone to sit on top of it. Let's see, can I roll it? Oh, look it. It's rolling on its own. So this is one that I can roll, but I can't stack. Let's see, how about our sphere? Let's see, we already said we can't stack this shape, but watch. Whoa. That sphere is rolling all over the place. So this is another shape that can roll, but can't stack. Okay, last shape, my cylinder. We already know that I can stack cylinders, like big blocks. Can I roll a cylinder? Well, I can't roll it like this way. It's just pushing like the cube does. But if I turn it on its side like this, watch what happens. Whoa. It rolls just fine. So this is a shape that can roll and stack. So that would go right there. So to go over it again, my cone and my sphere can roll. My cube can stack, but my cylinder can do both, so it goes in the middle. This also says to have you glue shapes onto it. I'm not gonna have you glue anything. Okay, so we can go to the next side. Okay, so it wants to know out of these shapes, which shape does not roll? So I see a cube, I see a sphere. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can't keep it from rolling away. And I have a cylinder. So which one doesn't roll? Well, clearly the sphere is rolling. It's rolling away from me right now. So let's see, can the cylinder roll? It can. What about, what do we remember? What did we say about the sphere or the cube? Nope, it doesn't roll. So we are going to put an X in this shape because it can't roll. For number 3, which shapes do not stack? So I have a cone, I have a sphere, I can't keep it steady, and a cube. Let's see, let's review again. Can I stack these cones? Nope, can't stack. So I have to put an X in that one. I can't stack these cones. Let's try the sphere again. Can I stack these? Nope. So another X here. What about my cube? Can I stack these? You betcha. So I'm not gonna cross that one off. Okay. Which shape does not slide? Mark an X on that shape. So sliding, friends, is just like what the cube does when I try to roll it. It just stays on the same side, it just kind of pushes around. So I know that the cube slides. If I have a cylinder like this here, I know that it rolls if I put it this way. But remember, if I leave it on its flat side, this slides just like the cube does. Where my sphere, it doesn't stay on the same part of the sphere and then it just scooches forward. No, the sphere rolls no matter what. So I'm gonna put an X in the sphere because it doesn't slide. Okay, down here, which shape does not stack? Oh, excuse me. Which shape does not stack and slide? So let's see, I have a cube, a cylinder, and a sphere. I already know that I can stack my cube. Sorry, I'm trying to keep another sphere from rolling away. I can stack my cube and it slides. I know that I can stack my cylinder and that my cylinder slides. I can't stack my ball, my sphere, and I can't slide it, it just rolls. So I'm gonna cross out the sphere again. All right, onto the back side. So it says, I roll and do not stack. So we have two shapes here. They both roll, right? But which one does not stack? Which one can I not put another one on top of? Yeah, the cone. I can't stack a cone. It just falls right off. But I can stack a cylinder. Okay, so down here, draw to show what you know about a real object that rolls and does not stack. So take a second and think about something real that rolls around, oh my goodness, that you can't stack another one of those things on top of. I'll give you a little hint. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and draw mine. Let's see if you know what it is. Yeah, I drew a baseball, a ball like this. I can't stack two baseballs on top of each other, but I could roll a baseball. That's how grounders happen, right, in baseball. All right, friends, thank you for bearing with me. This might be a little bit of a tricky chapter just because I can't have you get your hands on these 3D shapes, but I'm proud of you for doing your best, and I will see you all next time.